Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss the most common problems with SLA or LCD 3D printers. There are 5 things that happen quite frequently. The first is failure of your LCD screen, which is today's video, and I will also show you a real example later in this video. Second is the leveling of your build plate and resin vat. And then comes the viscosity of your resin, or also known as cold resin. Fourth is the setting of your slicing software like Box. And last but not the least, motherboard and power supply issues. And today I will show you how to test your LCD screen. We can also cover these other 4 points in next few videos. If you want to, please let me know your thoughts via comments and also subscribe to this channel, and I will make video on those. But today we are going to focus on these LCD screen failure. I think most of the printers, they already have a built-in exposure test, so you can use that and test your LCD. If not, then you can follow this method which I'm going to show next. See you in the next part. Alright guys, to perform a complete exposure test, you will need an exposure CAD or STL file for the same size of your LCD. For that, you can download the file directly from the link in the description and copy it in your USB for printing, and then simply go to print and select the exposure file which you have just downloaded in your USB and hit print. And wait for first layer to come in. It usually comes in about 2 to 3 seconds. And if your LCD is working fine, you should see some sort of colors like ultraviolet light coming out of your LCD. For me, that's not the case because this LCD is already damaged, so I won't see anything. As you can see, it's completely blank. There is no light, so it means that this LCD has to be replaced. And I just bought this thing from Amazon and I'm going to get it. And guys, make sure you remove your build plate and resin vat before performing this test, otherwise you won't be able to see any light because build plate will cover everything. So that's pretty much it. If you are not seeing any light coming out from your LCD, it clearly means your LCD is not working properly and has to be replaced. I hope you have liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.